Hey y'all, this is Tina. I'm here to do a quick video share. A couple of projects that I've just finished that I'm taking to my craft show. It'll be next weekend. I have two little books here. I think they turned out really cute. I'm going to start with this one. Just did the little shabby chic colors. And this one has little Victorian girl images. Really sweet. I'm not going to go over every detail. I'm just kind of going to do a flip through. This is the spine. I left the back, just the fabric I used. It's got a lot of luscious trims on it. It's super sweet. I did do a little bit of stickles on the little picture on her jewelry that she had on. Super cute. This is the first two pages, and here we have a little clock, and here we have a little card that you can journal on, a little pocket. Trimmed out in all the little roses, and the luscious little trims, and two more sweet images. It's all about the pinks and the creams and the ivory. So pretty. We have two pockets here in the middle, two little cards that you can journal on. I just embellished the trims here. And the next two pages, we've got two more little images here, sweet little girls. And then the final two pages. You just have a rose card here that I just used for an image, and then another pocket with another little journal card. It's just a sweet little fabric book that you can put your notes in, and just a little lookbook. You can put special memories in or add your own photos. Use it however you'd like. Like I said, this will be going in my craft fair show unless someone speaks, speaks for it here first. So it is for sale if anybody is interested. Okay, and then this next little mini, oh my goodness, I've had the best time working with these. I will say that these images are from Tina, Shabby Dabby Doodah. I have had the best time working with her perfume kit. So cute. This is my mini, and I made it very luscious. Lots of dangles. Look at it. Look at that lusciousness. So cute. I left the back plain except for all the luscious trims and pearl detail. The spine here, it is a chunky monkey, so it's kind of, my spine is kind of wonkadoodle because I made it too chunky. But that's okay. It'll probably straighten up as it softens up. So here I've just embellished one of the prettiest. This is one of my favorite bottles here. I've put on the cover. Lots of little dangles and ruffled trims here. Pretty little bow, pearls. Go inside the first two pages. Another beautiful bottle. I just embellished and brought out the purple tones here. Embellished the bottle. Had some pretty trim. Made a little card here. Added a little flower here to tie in with the colors. This little card I made, I just put notes in another little bottle image. And I just made it like an open up card that you can write on the inside on both sides. I thought the colors were so pretty together. I just finished this one today. Super cute. I'm in love with it. It's so sweet. The next two pages, this one has lots of bling in it. I tried to bling it up because to me that's just, these bottles just, they needed some bling. So here's two more of the beautiful images. This is my second favorite out of the kit. It's so pretty. I love the green tones, but they're all just so pretty. Here I've just added some bling. And some little roses, lots of trims. lots of dangles. The central pages, I've added these dangles, and I've added some bling on the flowers. Lots and lots of pretty bling. So pretty. And here are these two cards. I think I've got glue on me. Yeah, sorry, I'll put in glue. And I probably have ink on me too. These are the two little cards for these pockets. This one says journal. It has another little perfume image. Again, you can just open up. Sorry for the glue. You can open up and journal. This one says memories. I need to go back through and collect all my glue strands. Sorry, y'all. I'm always in such a hurry. Two little journal cards. Super sweet. I've added the bling to match the bottom trim. I've added the bling on the bottom. Super cute. I think these would make a sweet Mother's Day gift. Look at this. This is one of my favorite pages in the book. This blue bottle is gorgeous too. I just loved it. So pretty. And of course I love the ones with the roses. And I had to add some bling on that. It's gorgeous. A little bit of bling in the rose here. Trimmed it out with the roses. So pretty. And all of that's just little dangles. So cute. And the last two pages, I had to include the black one, which I still is gorgeous. I added some little bling here. I put 2 strands, a little pearl and bling chain that I had, and then this in the rose gold, and then this was the rose gold little bling piece that I added there. And then the back page pocket, I thought this matched this bottle. So another little card, and they're all the same. They open out so you can journal. So that's my 2 little mini books that I have been working on the past few days. I'm glad to have them finished. I am just in love with them. They're so sweet. But if anyone is interested, if you see it on my video and you love it as much as I do, if you would like to purchase, just comment or send me an email, and first come, first serve. So if you like it or would like to buy it for a Mother's Day gift, I'll be happy to sell one to you. Just let me know. If I don't sell these in my craft show that I'm doing, they will be going in my Etsy after my craft show. And my craft show is next Saturday. So anyway, thanks for joining me today, y'all. If you haven't seen my, I think it was my video, my birthday challenge. It was 2 videos ago. Go and have a look at that video if you would like to be in my birthday challenge. My birthday is May the 3rd. I do have a challenge going on. If you will go and watch, not the last video, but the one before that, it has all the directions that you need to follow. You just follow that and comment on that video and let me know that you want to participate, and I would love for you to participate. I will be doing a drawing the weekend of my birthday. You have 2 weeks now to work on it and send it in. And I'm looking forward to that. Can't wait to see who wins the prize. It's going to be, you get to choose between a personal kit, the colors would be your choice, or a custom journal, a fabric journal, or a paper journal of your choice. So that's what I will be drawing for the winner of if you participate in the challenge. So go and have a look at that video and just comment on that video if you would like to participate. All you have to do is comment me and follow the instructions, send me an email, and I will send you my address. And that's it, I think, for today, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great weekend, and I will see you again soon. Bye.